The Sri Shakti Food Testing Lab is a high-tech laboratory established in a luxurious environment in Coimbatore. At 43B, Vellakinnaru Pirivu, Thudiyalur, Coimbatore 34. Dr. S. Thangavelu, an eminent educationalist and the dynamic chairman of Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, is also the passionate founder of this prestigious testing facility. This scientific center has been set up with a remarkable investment of about 3 crores with a partial funding from the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. It houses experienced and quality scientific and technical manpower with world-class analytical equipments. The chromatography lab, spectroscopy lab, microbiological and other analytical and wet labs is equipped to analyze raw materials and finished food products. We have a wide range of equipments to analyze food composition, elemental analysis and toxin analysis in food grains, water analysis and phytochemical analysis in fruits and vegetables. Samples from different industries like food processing industries, edible oil industries, exporters and importers of agro-based units are meticulously analyzed with the standard protocols like the AOAC, AACC and BIS standards. The HPLC, costing around 37.5 lakhs, an imported equipment, is a chromatographic technique used to detect and quantify compounds in food samples obtained from various food industries. Used to detect the chemical compounds that are often involved in agriculture like pesticides and herbicides. This technique can also detect fat and water-soluble vitamins, preservatives, antioxidants, artificial flavoring agents, colorants and sweeteners in a variety of food products. The next equipment is a gas chromatographic unit, an imported equipment with a cost of 48 lakhs. This is used for the detection and quantification of residues of various pesticides, aromatic hydrocarbons and other pollutants in food materials. It also helps in the detection and identification of fatty acids in different food materials such as oils and processed food products. In addition, it gives an explicit analysis and quantification of phytochemicals present in various food products. The ICP OES, costing about 52 lakhs, analyzes trace elements in very low concentrations of parts per billion levels. This is used for the detection of heavy metals such as arsenic, mercury, lead, etc. and minerals like iron, copper, zinc, manganese present in food materials and packaged drinking water. The FTIR, commonly also referred to as the Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy, costing around 12.3 lakhs, determines changes in food composition, particularly the functional compounds that may be indicative of the presence of adulterants. The fat extraction unit, at a cost of 2.7 lakhs, determines fats from food and feed. The UV-Vis spectrophotometer, costing around 4.3 lakhs, is largely used for analysis of samples from food industries to estimate and quantify components of foods and beverages. This is a steam distillation unit used for the estimation of nitrogen, protein and ammonium. It's an imported equipment costing around 4 lakhs and gives accurate and reliable results for quick estimation of protein in food samples. The BSC, or the Biosafety Cabinet as it is called, is to ensure safety to the laboratory personnel who are working in this food testing lab from pathogens. This is a ultra low temperature freezer, ULT freezer, can maintain a temperature as low as -80 degrees centigrade. Used for storage of microbial cultures as well as food samples in frozen conditions. If they have to be kept for a longer period, during the food analysis. A specialized device called the stomacher is available to fine mix food samples. This is used primarily in microbiological applications to extract and wash intact microbes into a solution. Refrigerated centrifuges are used for samples that need a consistent range of temperature. For most of the part, the temperature range of refrigerated centrifuge is between -20 and -40 degrees centigrade. This is a moisture meter. An effective moisture meter is one which actually analyzes the best of the moisture contents in all kinds of samples, both in dry basis as well as wet basis. The equipment that is shown here is a digital polarimeter. This particular finds applications for all kinds of analysis regarding the sugar components, particularly in sugar industries, dairy industries where liquid samples are predominantly used. The optical rotation of the sugars can be analyzed. An ultrasonic cell crusher with the noise isolating chamber works on sound energy to extract multiple elements from food samples as well as any other samples for analysis. The Abe's refractometer is an efficient benchtop instrument working on the refractive index of liquid samples, measuring the refractive index of liquid samples, and it also measures the salinity of food samples. An autoclave is a pressure chamber that is maintained at elevated temperature and pressure different from ambient air pressure. These are mainly used in food applications to perform sterilization and disinfection. This muffle furnace works at a temperature of about 1000 degrees centigrade to determine the percentage of ash in food samples. The hot air oven or the hot air dryer is an essential equipment in the testing lab which has multivarious utility. It can be used for sterilization of food materials as well as glassware to a temperature ranging from 50 to 300 degrees centigrade. This equipment is a biological oxygen demand incubator. This particular equipment is used to maintain a uniform and high degree of accuracy of tissue culture growth as well as storage of bacterial cultures at high temperatures with maintaining a uniform storage and quality. Rotary vacuum flash evaporator is an ideal instrument for quick evaporation and concentration of solutions under vacuum without any fear of decomposition. This is the vacuum oven. This is primarily used to remove moisture, gases and other volatile chemical substances from essential oils and packaged foods. The laminar flow chamber is a carefully enclosed workbench for carrying out all microbial analysis in a sterilized atmosphere. A bench-type pH meter is a scientific instrument that measures the acidity or alkalinity expressed as pH. The digital electronic balances used in the general chemistry labs and food testing labs are extremely sensitive instruments used for weighing substances to the milligram level. The Sri Shakti Food Testing Laboratory is located at 43B, Vellakinnaru Pirivu, Thudiyalur, Coimbatore 34. Contact number 7220966666. Email ID srishaktiftl@gmail.com.